Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how on the last day and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform on Monday. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see, there is a big gap down we have seen and a sharp flow down after it made a high of around 36,248, and from there it has continuously falling and made a low of around 34,904. Okay, and now it is trying to go down, but what we can see, a red candle is made, okay, with two continuous green candles. Suppose if the Bank Nifty opens in this particular range, then the strong support resistance we can see at around 35,170, and if sustain this level, then we can see that it can go to a level of 35,289, the next resistance, and if it crosses this level, then we can see it can fill a gap of 35,430, and then we can see that a range can come. If it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 35,800 also. But suppose if it opens above this level, then we can see that it can, the strong support we can see at around 35,312, and can bounce back from this level. But suppose if it opens gap down, then we can see a level of 34,922 as a resistance, and if this resistance can make it bounce back on the downside, because we can see a trend is coming downside. Okay, but if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high. So what we have to do is we have to wait for the first 15-minute candle, because our pattern is created that it is showing a downside. But overall, if we look at this chart, so what we'll see that, let's see where the market opens and then we'll trade accordingly. Okay, but if we talk about Nifty, okay, Nifty was continuously in uptrend. If you look at this, after even a gap down, we can see that it has bounced back. Okay, after, if you look at this chart, see the gap we have created here. Okay, made a high of around 1611, and from there 16.7 around, and from there it made again came down to a level of 16.3377, and now it is sustaining with a strong support around 16.413. Suppose if it opens below this level, then we can see a level of 16.377, which is a strong support, and this support is already tested, so it can go further low. Okay, and can touch a level of 16.289, and from there we can see a level of, then from there we can see a level of 60,170 also. But if it didn't sustain a level of 16,224, okay, and if it goes below a level of 16,350, but suppose if it opens above this level, then we can see it can go further higher to a level of 16,500, and then it can fill a gap of around 16,550. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to wait for the first 15-minute candle. Okay, if it opens above 16,490, then we can be on the upper side. If it goes below a level of 16,400, then we can see a strong support at for 16,350, or it can go to more a level of 16,280, and then to a level of 16,220. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to wait for the first 15-minute candle where it is showing the direction, and we can trade accordingly. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.